Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some simple yet stunning Christmas decor ideas for small living rooms in 2024. If you're tight on space but want that cozy, festive vibe, stick around. I've got 10 easy and affordable decorating tips that will transform your space without overwhelming it. Whether you're working with a studio apartment or a compact living room, these ideas are perfect for adding a bit of Christmas magic. Let's jump right in. Idea 1: Miniature Christmas Tree. Now, you don't need a full-size tree to feel festive. A miniature Christmas tree is a great option for small spaces. You can place it on a side table, a shelf, or even your coffee table. Decorate it with mini ornaments, some twinkle lights, and voila! You've got yourself a cute, festive centerpiece without losing precious floor space. Plus, it's easy to maintain and move around if needed. Idea 2: String lights. These little beauties are not just for the tree. You can drape fairy lights along shelves, over doorways, or around windows to add that cozy Christmas glow. You don't need much, a few strategically placed strands can instantly make your room feel magical. Opt for warm white lights to create a soft, inviting atmosphere, or go colorful for a fun, playful vibe. Idea 3: Candles. Speaking of ambience, candles are another must-have. A few well-placed candles can add warmth and that cozy Christmas glow. Choose some holiday-scented candles like cinnamon or pine to really bring the Christmas spirit into your living room. You can group them together on a tray or scatter them around the room. If you're worried about open flames, battery-operated LED candles are a great alternative. Idea 4: Holiday pillows and throws. One of the simplest ways to add a festive touch to your small living room is by swapping out your regular pillows and throws. Go for cozy textures and holiday-themed patterns, like plaid or reindeer designs. A pop of red, green, or gold will instantly make your space feel more festive. Plus, it's a great way to stay comfy and cozy while binge-watching your favorite Christmas movies. Idea 5: Garlands. Garlands are so versatile and perfect for adding a festive touch to a small space. You can drape a simple greenery garland over your mantel, bookshelf, or even hang it around a doorway. For an extra Christmas vibe, add in some fairy lights or mini ornaments to the garland. If you're feeling crafty, try making a DIY garland using paper or dried oranges. It's budget-friendly, and you get a personal touch. Idea 6: Wall art and prints. Want to change up your walls for Christmas? Swap out your usual artwork with some holiday-themed prints. You can easily find inexpensive Christmas quotes or festive designs online. Hang them up in a gallery wall style or simply place 1 or 2 framed prints on your shelves. It's an easy, clutter-free way to infuse the holiday spirit into your small living room. Idea 7: Miniature village or nativity scene. Who doesn't love a little Christmas village or nativity scene? If you have a small coffee table or sideboard, this is a perfect place to set up a mini Christmas display. It's traditional and instantly adds a sense of nostalgia. You can even find small, space-friendly versions that won't crowd your room. Add a few twinkling lights around the display for a magical touch. Idea 8: Wreath. Never underestimate the power of a wreath. It's such a simple decoration, but it brings so much to the table, or wall, rather. If you're working with a small space, hang a wreath on your living room wall or even inside a window. You can go for a traditional greenery wreath with pine cones and berries, or switch things up with a minimalist design like wooden beads or felt ornaments. Idea 9: Holiday centerpiece. For those with small coffee tables or side tables, creating a simple holiday centerpiece can instantly elevate your space. Use a festive tray, and place a few candles, some pine cones, or mini ornaments on it. You don't need to go overboard. It's all about creating a focal point that feels festive but doesn't overcrowd your space. Plus, it's easy to move around if you need the table for something else. Idea 10: Seasonal scents. Finally, let's not forget the power of scent. Scents play a big role in creating that festive vibe. You can use holiday-scented diffusers, candles, or even a simmer pot with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and oranges. This will fill your small living room with the smells of Christmas, making it feel even cozier and more inviting. It's an effortless way to add holiday spirit without taking up any physical space. And there you have it, 10 simple, space-saving Christmas decor ideas for small living rooms. With just a few tweaks and festive touches, you can transform even the tiniest of spaces into a Christmas wonderland. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Let me know in the comments how you plan to decorate your space this Christmas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.